Hello, 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 and a very warm welcome to each one of you. How are you? Give it to me in the chat box. How are you? Chat box में लिखो. Wonderful. Urmila is awesome. What about others? Superb. Excited. Jyoti is good. Vishali excited. Wonderful. I love that. I love the way the chats are going up. Pooja, awesome. Sheetal is excellent. Mamta is powerful. Amazing. I love that. Welcome to each one of you to something truly, truly, truly special. Now, tell me, where are we? Anybody knows? क्या attend कर रहे हो? What are you attending? The Carnival of Hope season number 5. It is running from the Mother's Day till the Father's Day. This is not just a learning festival, my dear souls. It is a journey. Are you experiencing it fully? Across the 5 powerful weeks, we have curated, 9 deep, diverse, and delightful spaces where every part of you gets to breathe, rise, and shine. Do you feel that? Whether you are a mother, whether you are a homemaker, whether you are an educator, whether you are a coach, or simply a woman ready to choose joy, this carnival is your invitation to rise. Let me tell you, this time it is holistic. Not just for parents, not just for learning, not just for healing, but all of it woven beautifully into one empowering ride. But now, I need you to take a deep breath in, straighten your spine, because you are stepping into next magical, pure, I would say magic. Before we get into the magic, if you actually want to, experience this magic, I would love for each one of you, matlab ek, every person in this room to switch on your cameras, please. Are you ready to feel the magic, to heal yourself, to empower yourself? Are you ready? Give it to me in the chat box, because when you switch on your cameras, when you give it to me in the chat box, that is where we derive energy from. Cameras. I'm looking out for Rupali, Ruchi, Hema, Rajni. I'm looking out for the people who are not switching on the cameras. Ayushi, Jasveer, Lakshmi. Jasveer, you had the camera on. Why did it went off? You're not interested in listening to us? Raj, Vartika. Let's switch on the cameras. Wonderful, guys. Good. Dhana, Pooja, Sheetal, Jyoti, Pooja, Neena, Seema, Sufia. Please switch on your cameras. If you're outside, own it. I want you to own it. बाहर हो तो क्या हुआ? Thank you, Divya. I love that. This is not just a session. This is a movement, a resolution, a homecoming for the soul of the woman. Welcome to the first session of Shakti Circle. This circle is where we take off the mask and wear our truth. Are you ready to wear your truth? Where we stop shrinking and start rising. Are you ready to rise, girls? I love that expression. I love those hand raises. I love those smiles. Where we shift from survival to sovereignty. Give me fire in the chat box if you are ready for all of it. If you are ready to wear your truth, if you are ready to rise shining, and if you are ready to shift from survival to sovereignty. And tell me in the chat box right now, what's one word you can reclaim in your life today? Is it your voice, your confidence, your joy, your boundaries, your dreams? What exactly is it that you're looking for in this session? Let me read out a few of these. Arey wah. Dreams, success, voice with power, confidence. Wonderful. बस इतने से लोगों को चाहिए सब कुछ. Fulfillment, dreams and goals. Amazing. Dreams. If you are ready to have every bit of what you are writing in the chat box, grab a pen and paper, because today what is going to happen is a massive shift in each one of you. Jaldi se copy or pen le aao. Show me your notebook and pen, and trust me, I'm also sitting with one. Look at this. I'm also going to take notes. Amazing. I see that. I see Madhulika. I see Seema. What about others? और जो travel कर रहा है, open your notes. Urmila also has one. Amazing. Amazing. Yes, I love that energy, and that is the energy that I wish for each one of you to be in throughout the session. You are not here to be small. You are here to return to your power, because this circle has been created for each one of you. The woman who has given so much and is now ready to give herself back herself. Are you ready? And before we go further, let us ground into the space. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes and let your breath slow down. With your hand on your heart, repeat silently. I choose to show up. I choose to be seen. I choose joy. I choose me. Feel the power of every woman in this room, connected in energy and purpose. And remember, this is your time. How does that feel? Give it to me in the chat box. And now, my dear Shaktis, are you ready? Are you ready? Give me ready in the chat box. Jaldi, jaldi. It is my deepest joy to introduce a woman who is the very embodiment of everything this circle stands for. She's not just a speaker. She is the force. An ex-banker turned master trainer, a life coach, parenting expert, career consultant, and emotional intelligence mentor. With over 18 years of experience, she has helped over 3,000 people transform their lives. She is someone who leads not from her titles, but from her truth. Her movement, Happy by Choice, is a reminder that joy is not a destination, it is a choice. And yes, it is yours.
Dolly, I think you're on mute, and Karishma's
Yes, I
network.
think we lost Karishma's link.
Welcome to the
No
world of
worries.
technology. It can ditch us anytime, anywhere. So be ready for the surprises. And the bigger and the most amazing surprises are yet to come in this amazing session. And stage is all yours, Dolly. Can we please all of us give a big round of applause to Dolly? Come on, come on, come on, everyone.
Thank you so
Woo-hoo.
much.
Welcome,
Thank you
Dolly.
so much, everyone. I really want all of us to, first of all, clap for each one, each power who is present here. So I would like to clap for each one in the room. because this clap is not just for the personality, but this clap is for that mindset which allows you to come in a session which talks about women empowerment. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to each one of you to be present in this room, to grab that power, to regain that thing which is already there in you. Because I personally believe that the women's don't need something from outside. They already embody that Shakti which lies within them. So let us begin this flagship program of Shakti Circle. So my deepest thanks, first of all, to Manish sir for introducing such a beautiful concept for all the women's. Now, this question will also arise. Why only women's need empowerment? So I believe हमने वो स्टोरी सुनी है ना, जब एक लकड़ी को तोड़ते हैं तो बहुत आसानी से टूट जाती है, अगर उसका गट्ठड़ बना दिया जाए तो वो टूटेगी नहीं. So I also embody that thing that if women come together, they are phenomenal. The sister, the feeling of the sisterhood, this feeling of belonging, empowering each other is tremendously awesome. एंड आई एम श्योर हमारी फैमिलीज में भी हमने बहुत से ऐसे कल्चर देखे होंगे, बहुत सिचुएशंस ऐसे देखी होंगी जहां पर एक औरत की सबसे बड़ी दोस्त भी होती है और सबसे बड़ी we knew that all, right? So let's look at the pictures so beautifully. I'm so happy to do this program as a flagship program for Shakti Circle. Why I'm feeling so privileged, I'll tell you in just a minute. Let me share the insight of Shakti Circle for you. As this is the first program, I want each one of you to be the every time participant for this session and share it with as much as women's you can, because this is just the beginning. This is the first baby step we have taken towards women's empowerment, and going forward the kind of sessions will be upcoming, you have no idea about it. And I'm telling you, each one of you I can see in the screen, and even those are behind the cameras, they are more powerful than me or anybody else, because ये वो छुपी हुई शक्ति है जिसको हम उजागर करना चाहते हैं इस प्रोग्राम के जरिए. सो शायद मैं पहला झंडा लेकर चल रही हूं और यू ऑल हैव टू फॉलो मी फॉर दिस, एंड आई नो वी ऑल आर इक्वली एंड एम्बॉडिंग दैट symbol of power in our own being. सो शक्ति सर्कल का प्रोग्राम एवरी फ्राइडे, जब तक कार्निवल ऑफ होप चल रहा है, एवरी फ्राइडे एंड संडे यू कैन ज्वाइन अस on at 4 p.m. till 5:30 p.m. ये 1.5 घंटे का प्रोग्राम आप ऐसा समझ लीजिए मेरा मी टाइम है, and I'm just chit chatting and engaging with my friends and all intellectual women's where I am adding some value to my life. So are you all with me on this? So far so good. Great. So much of energy. Deepa, Dhanashri, Ruchi, Mamta, Lakshmi, you all are with me and I'm so happy. Now I'm feeling a little relaxed now, because truly speaking, there was so much of pressure on me to start a program for women's, by women's, wherein, I'm being coming at the center stage. But now I'm feeling a little privileged. When I said that, as a child, सब मुझे ऐसे बोलते थे, ये किसी चीज की टेंशन नहीं लेती है, शी इज अ हैप्पी गो लकी, ये खा पी के मस्त रहती है. So, but then in that time, I never knew that this attitude of choosing happiness was so much into me. This attribute of me built my personality. And today, when I look back, I'm connecting the dots, the place where I'm coming from. I see that actually I was living this attitude throughout my life. I always choose happiness by default, or maybe by DNA says so, or whatever the circumstances come across. So I choose this topic to share with all my fellow women here. Why I want to talk about this topic? Because this is something which is the need of the hour. Because I'm sure आप सब मुझसे इस बात पे resonate करेंगे कि if a woman is empowerment with skill, mindset, and different type of growth, mental growth, physical growth, spiritual growth, she is the one who can create and transform generations. Do you believe that? Of course, men have their own role to play, But I always believe that women have a bigger role to play in creating the better societies. And right now, the kind of transition we all are living into, we need more and more empowered women. We need more and more situations wherein women can come together and create a larger difference in the society. So, do you agree on this point? If yes, you can type A in the chat window. I really would like to have your okay on that. Okay, so there are so many A's in the chat windows. Thank you so much for showing this alignment with my thought. So let us begin. As Karishma also mentioned in the beginning, this is not a workshop wherein I will be teaching you something and you will be learning something. This is a reflective workshop wherein we will be deriving something from our own thoughts. Right? As we just spoke, that happiness is a choice and it's a skill that can be learned. This is not something which can be only a reflection of circumstances. मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा होगा तो मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी, मुझे अच्छा हस्बैंड मिलेगा, अच्छा पार्टनर मिलेगा, 2 बच्चे होंगे, बड़ा घर होगा तो मैं खुश होंगी. So happiness is not the definition of achievements. Happiness is the definition of something that I need to bring from my inside every day, wherein I choose to be happy every day. That is why I call it as a skill that can be learned. Right? So I will try to give my best to all of you so that we all together can learn this skill today. So before we deep dive into the core of topic, I want to share a little video with all of you. Yeah, a quick video, and I want all of you to get back to your own stories. There are so many stories in this video. I want all of you to go back to your own life stories and how you connect this with yourself. Let's get this out.
This was made for you. I love it.
I don't think you look like a bride in this.
ये pink light. This was made for you. I love it.
I don't think you look like a bride in this.
ये pink light color है और इसके नो और डार्क करता पे.
हमें ना जी ऐसी प्लम्पी लड़की चाहिए थी.
My parents have asked 4 crores dowry from my parents.
The money is for us only, Nabri. How does it matter?
मैं भी गाड़ी सीख लूं?
अरे तुम पहले पराठे बनाना सीख लो बिना जले.
मेरे डैड की जनरेशन तक किसी औरत ने काम नहीं किया, नेवर. फिर मैंने आयशा को अलाउ किया बिजनेस चलाने.
और उसे तुम्हारे परमिशन की जरूरत क्यों?
बोलू तो
मेरा नाम गोलू नहीं है, मेरा नाम गायत्री है, गायत्री. मैं 20 किलो ओवरवेट क्या हो गई? मेरे सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट की धज्जियां उड़ा दी आप लोगों ने.
There will be no favors. I'm not going to pay anyone to marry.
देखना, एक दिन तो बहुत बड़ा आदमी बनेगी.
आदमी क्यों बनूंगी?
बड़ी औरत बनेगी थोड़ी कुछ होता है.
फिर तो मैं बड़ी औरत ही बनूंगी.
मैं शांत भी, बवाल भी नहीं. आंधी में जलती मशाल भी मैं अबला नारी, 100 पे भारी, और ये सोचना जनहित में जारी.
Okay. After this powerful video, I want all of you to reflect back. Let this continue for another some time. I want all of you to grab your notebook and write that happy moment of your life. What was it look like? Whom you were with? What were you doing in that happy moment? I want you to take 30 seconds, 60 seconds, write it down in your notebook. Please go ahead. And some of you, if you want to write in chat window, I would love to read some of. What are your happy moments? just smile and I feel that joy. Happy when my partner denied forcefully for the car booking to be done by my parents before marriage. Wow, this is powerful. When I held my newborn son in my arms for the first time. So beautiful. With my girls. With my girls. Okay, Vinita. Okay. My happy moments were my college days. Okay, you are getting nostalgic now. When I started my own school, I felt as if I have done the freedom to do anything I want. Wow, we are coming on to that. Goosebumps. When I talk to myself, lovely. Hugging my mom each time Urmila is saying so. Wonderful, Urmila. When my spouse came and said, we blessed with Pari. Wow. That feeling. With my son and my school friends, spending my time. When I saw myself on television on CNN News. Wow. Now this is kudos, Sandhya. I stay happy almost all the time. You are a lucky one. School days and when I got my first job, inspiring others with my work. When my father blushed or blessed. Okay. When I saw myself on television, I saw, okay, freedom from toxic relationship. Powerful, Vinita. I'm having my tea and listening to you is giving me happiness right now. Same, Pooja ji. When my friends making reels with my deep friends and cute kids. Okay, there's so much of information rolling around. We definitely will be going around with this once again. And somehow I will save all these chats. I'll tell sir to save all these chats. I really would love to read each one of them. I know when you reflect back on these kind of situations, we always feel that, okay, we are quite privileged, isn't it? But the agenda of this session is to create these moments deliberately for ourselves. Because these moments definitely came in our life because of some or the other reasons. But when I say that happiness is a skill, we want to discover how to bring these moments in our life deliberately, right? So we all have defined the best, happiest scene of our life. So anybody who's still getting into that nostalgic era and still writing on their notepad, okay, you still have a lot of time, you can carry on. Now, let's go one step deeper in this. Now, I want all of you to give one word to your happiness. What does happiness means to you? Let me start first. For me, happiness is freedom. When I'm allowed to wear whatever I want to, eat whatever I want to, go wherever I want to, meet whomever I want to, and do whatever I feel like doing, that is happiness for me. If somebody questions me that why you are doing it, although sooner or later, I have got that much of maturity and we all get that much of maturity that we answer those questions, but I don't feel happy about it. So that is my definition of happiness. What is your definition of happiness? For some of you, it can be love, relationship, traveling. It can be anything. What is that one word of happiness for you? You all can unmute also. Some of you can unmute and say. What is that one word of happiness? Exactly. Freedom, gratitude. Do whatever and wherever. Independence. Okay.
Being me.
Being me. Okay.
Same, ma'am. Spending my me time.
Okay. Great. Being with family, blessings. Giving back to the society, of course. Feeling
when I can coexist with a person who is very different from me and still can continue to respect each other.
Great. The art of accepting the flaws in others is also an happiness for you. Great, Shashi. Good to hear this. Now, when I say this, right, that the definition of happiness, we all have a different definition of happiness. So this symbolizes that happiness is not a one size fit all thing. It is different for everyone, right? But still, let me give two segments of happiness, right? Do you agree that we can also segregate happiness in two segments? How many of you feel that it's possible, not possible, doable, not doable? Okay. As I said, that happiness is subjective, my friends. There are only two ways we want to say it. One is fleeting pleasure. Another is lasting fulfillment. Okay, let me repeat this. Fleeting pleasure and lasting fulfillment. Can some of you give me an example? What is a fleeting pleasure in terms of happiness? I'm saying. When I'm saying I'm doing a fleeting pleasure, I'm happy. What that does mean? Anybody? You can unmute and say it. Let's make it interactive, because I am very selfish. I take energies from all of you.
I feel partying with my friends sometimes makes me feel happy, and that's just temporary because when the party is over, you have to get back to reality.
Okay.
And then you live with those memories.
Okay. Any other fleeting pleasure? Quickly. Yesterday in the
Yeah,
session,
as Sandhya has said,
in Carnival, I was just listening that the ma'am was talking about if you know, in your periods, if you're not feeling good, if you're even binge watching or scrolling, it's okay to do that. So that is also a fleeting pleasure. Yes, Deepa, please go ahead. You don't have to raise hand because I can't see everyone. You can just unmute and just give the respect to other person and go ahead. If somebody else is talking, let's not jumble up. Say one person at a time. Please go ahead. Do you want to say something, Divya? What is a fleeting pleasure for you? One fleeting pleasure. Anything.
Same, being able to hang around with friends.
Hanging around with friends. Okay.
It's
Sandhya
a
is also saying
Helping others without
fleeting,
expectations.
it's fleeting happiness. And then again, taking onus of that situation financially and on the household part, making time and, creating those memories is a lasting happiness. That
It's a lasting fulfillment.
मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ये टाइम स्पेंड किया, अपने बूते पे किया, मैंने किसी को सैक्रिफाइस नहीं किया. I did justice like to everything. It's not perfect, but yes, I'm truly being happy, and the other persons with me are also happy.
Bang on. So you are content in what you're doing. Great. Whereas fleeting pleasures, my friends, are like sugar rush. We like chocolates. We like our ice creams these days. We have it. We enjoy it. We have the pleasure. But let's listen this carefully. Fleeting pleasure has a bigger problem. You have them, but you have more craving for it. In spite of having that, you still will feel emptier. Right? So when we talk about two types of happiness, fleeting pleasures are only temporary. And your lasting impact will create your true happiness in your life. But I also have a hack for all of you. If you think that somewhere we are not able to adjust life in terms of happiness and joy, then fleeting pleasure are a good start. You can start off your happiness journey with your fleeting pleasures and take it to somewhere which are your real achievements. I'll tell you one of my friends. She's a very close friend of mine. Highly achievable. She is very accomplished in her career. 2 kids, good husband, happy family. Everything is good. But she was never somebody who feels joy. Her face is always like this. We used to tell her, why are you so worried all the time? She used to say, time ही नहीं है life में. I used to say कि तेरे पास इतना सब कुछ है, पर तेरे पास अपने लिए time नहीं है. Then what is the use of all that stuff? Isn't it? So we discussed कि तुम हर रोज 10 minutes सिर्फ शीशे के सामने बैठोगी और कुछ नहीं करोगी, and you just talk to yourself, admire yourself. And I'm not fluking. Within next 3 months, she was a different person. And this was a simple activity she was doing. She was just sitting in front of mirror, and during that she was not occupied with any other thoughts, and she was just admiring how good she is, how well she is doing in her life. And this is how in her entire life she started creating that happy space for herself. And believe me, before I came into corporate training, whoever women are there in my family, I always used to tell them this thing, कि तुम थोड़ा टाइम अपने लिए निकालो. मुझे सब बोलते थे तुम्हारी शादी हो जाने दो, you have kids, then we will ask you how you will get that time. But believe me, my friends, today also I am able to do that. When I said that I embody this character, I mean it. And I want this to get infectious in my community also. I want to get this as an infection in every woman with whom I touch. Because I know if you are able to create that happy space for yourself, if you are able to build that happiness in your internal happiness and real happiness I'm talking about, you will make a huge difference in the people you will touch. Yes, no, maybe?
Mirror practice.
So I want to reflect back once again, right? I'm gonna make you write a lot of things. So those who are not feeling like writing, you can also do a voice typing. You can also, make somebody sit next to you and let them write for you. Maybe your kids can help you around. But I want you to make 2 portions in your notepad and write the list of some of your fleeting pleasures and some of your lasting impact of happiness that you are craving for. Some of, maybe हो सकता है उनमें से कुछ चीजें आपने already achieve की हो, कुछ आप achieve करना चाहते हो. So let's quickly write 4-5 pointers wherein you can write some of your pleasures and some of your aspirations which will make you a content person, a happier person. So we have 30 seconds to reflect back on this. Once we are done, some of you can raise your hand so that we can move ahead. Great. Okay, Mamta, Shubha. Okay, somebody is asking for a question. Okay. The question, Dhana, is you have 2 types of happiness. One is a fleeting pleasure, instant pleasure you get, and second are your ultimate happiness. 2 चीजों में आपको अपना कुछ नोट्स लिखने हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस, कुछ भी जो भी आपको लगता है कि मेरे लिए चॉकलेट खाना एक इंस्टेंट प्लेजर है और अपने बिजनेस को 4 लाख पर मंथ तक लेके जाना मेरा अल्टीमेट हैप्पीनेस गोल है. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग लाइक दिस. Okay, so I believe all of us are done with the information. Now let us have some clear intentions. What we are planning to achieve from this workshop is, first of all, we'll reclaim our power of happiness. We have discussed what the happy moment means to me. What is the definition of happiness for me? What are two types of happiness, right? So we have done more or less with the definition of happiness. So with this information, with this conversation of today's Shakti Circle, we're going to reclaim our power through our choices. We'll explore what are the blocks in our joy, and then we'll have some practical tools how we're going to have that. And in the end, I'll be sharing a tool with you through which you can create your own happiness plan. Okay, so far so good. Now we talked about fleeting pleasure and lasting fulfillment. I'm sure you all have your own list of fleeting pleasure and lasting fulfillment. But some of you must have this question that, okay, Dolly, तुमको नहीं पता है, मेरी life में इतना tension है, you don't know. You must have got a good childhood. I have a suffering child. I have a struggling family. I have, painful in-laws. I have difficult children. You don't know my story. When some of your friends start sharing their sorrows or, something with us, I'm sure most of us are counselors and, in the same field of mental health. But still, sometimes we have that urge, यार तुमको नहीं पता है, तुम्हारा तो इतना सा दुख है, मेरा इतना ज्यादा है. I have more sorrows in my life than you. You don't know this. So let's talk about that part, my friends, because let us accept that in spite of all the goody things, there are certain challenges in our life. Do you agree it is there? Yes, no, maybe? Okay. Now, what are the challenges that we face? First of all, there are so many barriers that a woman face while she is craving for her joy. The biggest is the societal expectations and the gender roles. Do you agree that societies create so much of pressure on us that, okay, you have to be a good girl syndrome. You have to follow that good girl syndrome and be ambitious, but not too ambitious. Be selfless, but your face should look like that you are very happy. You're doing something selfless for others, but it should not show on your face. दिखना नहीं चाहिए, रिश्तेदारों को मालूम नहीं चलना चाहिए, you're feeling bad about it. Be a great mother, but prove yourself in your work also. You said, no, you're doing a startup. Prove yourself in your work also. But don't forget, you have a child who needs to be taken care, who needs to be raised very gently and with all the things that needs to be taken care of. Be independent. You can be independent. हमने तो तुमको कभी मना नहीं किया कुछ करने से. Do whatever you want to do, but don't forget your duties as well. So ये जो एक mixed vibrations आती है ना, ये जो एक invisible pressure create हो जाता है ना बहुत बार, we don't even realize, but I want all of us to just reflect back for a few seconds. We have actually internalized this. We are living this faith कि ये तो ऐसे ही हो रहा है, ऐसे ही होता आया है और ऐसे ही हमको करना है. I am not talking about Abla Nari. I am talking about all the liberal, intelligent, freedom, the women who have got all the freedoms to do in their life. I am talking about people, women like me, women like you, who are well educated, who have got an exposure, who are free to do everything. In spite of all those things, we are living with these societal barriers, aren't we? Right? So हमने शायद कहीं ना कहीं अपनी लाइफ में उस चीज को imbibe कर लिया है. Now, the sentence I'm going to say right now, it might hurt some of us. To me also, when I wrote this for the first time. Even to our girl childs, what we are telling them, be ambitious, right? But there is a but after it. We are telling them you can choose any career. आपको किसी भी career में जाना है, आप जा सकते हो. आप डॉक्टर बन सकते हो, आप पायलट बन सकते हो, आप एस्ट्रोनॉट बन सकते हो. बट ये जो अनकन्वेंशनल करियर्स है ना, उनका थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख लो बस. क्रिएट अ स्पेस इन योर लाइफ जहां पे कि तुम अपने मैरिज के बाद भी उन चीजों को कंटिन्यू कर सको. Aren't we doing that? We're doing that. We are doing that even with the next generation, my friends. We are even, as a career consultant, when I talk about this, there are so many girls who want to go in unconventional careers. But parents are saying कि बाद में क्या करेंगे? So this societal pressure is actually shrinking our dreams, our joy, whatever is our belief system. Maybe हो सकता है कि वो कुछ बहुत exponential जाकर कर सकते हैं. And we are seeing the live examples also. But हमें सिर्फ वो live example दिख रहा है, उसके behind the story we need to relook at. Yeah, somewhere we are actually again going by these unsaid pressure that we create. So we are shrinking ourselves in it. Second biggest problem that a woman face, which is the biggest barrier in her happiness, is her belief, her internalized belief that yes, she can't do it or I can't do it. Her self-doubt is creating so much of ruckus in her own life कि उसको सब लिबर्टी मिल भी जाती है ना, still she is not able to move and take that one step ahead for her own happiness. उसको खुद पे ही डाउट होता है, I am not good enough. बाकी लोग भी तो कर रहे हैं, मैं भी मैनेज कर लूंगी. What's the big deal on that? Isn't it? Don't we say all these things to ourselves? Yes, no, maybe. You all can keep on sharing your comments in the window. I would love to read some of them. So this voice is actually not you. When you are saying this, that I'm not good enough, I can also manage. When other people are able to manage, other women are in the family are also able to manage, I can also manage. This is our conditioning. This is our conditioning, comparison, and those unhealed narratives that are whispering through our thoughts, who are not allowing us to create that happiness bracket in our life. Right? So once again, I will invite all of you, each one who is listening to me right now, I invite all of you to reflect back on this thought. What is that one thing? What is that one societal barrier which you are just doing as should and must? I'll give you my example because I am being very vulnerable with all of you today. I'm going to share my live examples with you. बहुत सारे should और must में हम लोग जी रहे होते हैं. Right? And we always keep our happiness in the last shelf of the kitchen, जहाँ पे हाथ पहुंचना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है. ठीक है, मिलेगा तो मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा तो देखेंगे. Isn't it? So when we are talking about the societal barrier and self-doubt, let us reflect back on some of the should and must you want to remove from your life. I'll tell you my should, wherein I have to attend all the marriage events of my relatives. At times I don't feel like going. At times I don't, I have some other work to do. I have my own, maybe I have a session or I have another consultancy to do. But then it is my should and must that I must go, I should be present there. So I want to remove that from my life and I choose where I want to go, where I don't want to go. And I want to remove that pressure from my shoulders that this is my obligation. There is no, I would not say it as a resistance toward the thing, but I'm saying I choose this and I own this thing. Yes, Rupali, you want to say something?
According to your talk, I see a woman is a barrier to another woman in the society.
We talked about this. A woman is also a barrier to women, but let's look at the brighter side. Can a woman be also somebody who is empowering other women?
Right, ma'am. A woman can do everything.
We have to become
always
that one
feel like
women.
Indira Gandhi ji.
Yes. So you, me, Rupali, Karishma, Khushbu, Param, we all are more than Indira Gandhi or anybody else. It's just that we have not tapped on to that power so far.
Ma'am, Indira Gandhi ji is a inspiration from my childhood to me.
So great.
I always take her name in the every talk.
So nice, Rupali. You have so great inspiration. Now it's a time wherein we should give it back to the society. So let us reflect back on this thought. I want all of you to write in your notebook. What is that should and must you want to remove from your life? Now, when I'm talking about this circle, Shakti circle. Let's not make it at like another workshop or a webinar wherein we are just having a normal discussion and we are just going and, completing our stuff. Let us अपना homework यहीं से करके जाएंगे, we spoke about homeschooling, Khushbu. So आज अपना homework यहीं से अपन complete करके जाएंगे. So that is why you all have your diary and notepad, write it down. Maybe मुझे लगता है कि अगर सब conversation में से आपका एक take away भी होता है, it's my win. So we are reflecting back on this question. Let me repeat it. Because of the societal pressure, because of our own guilt and our own self-negative talk, we are not able to do certain things for ourselves. और हमने अपने आप को should और must में bound कर लिया है. कौन सा एक should और must आप अपनी life से हटाना चाहते हैं? Write it in your notebook. Should we move ahead? Are we done? Are we done? Can I see some yes, no, some thumbs up? Okay, okay, Param, Urmila, Khushbu. Okay, so the third barrier in a woman's life is the work-life balance. Right? ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोले जाने वाला शब्द है, work-life balance. चाहे working हो, चाहे non-working women हो, they always people talk about work-life balance. Work-life balance नहीं होता, चीजें manage नहीं होती. But I termed it as a different way. मुझे लगता है the things you are supposed to do, you are supposed to do. So the best thing what you can do is a pause. More than work-life balance, we need a pause. Even AC and TV need a pause. उसको भी हम थोड़ी देर बंद करते हैं कि let it relax for some time. So we all, instead of juggling and doing everything perfect, let us pause for a few minutes in a day. Please choose to relax and pause in your life. There's one of my clients whom I was counseling. Counseling was on some other topic, but in general conversation, we just talked about. She was saying, I feel guilty. अगर मैं दिन में सो भी जाती हूँ ना आधा घंटे के लिए, I feel so guilty कि अगर किसी ने मुझे बुलाया, अगर किसी को मेरी जरूरत हुई, तो I would not be available. I mean, I'm not saying कि हर औरत को ऐसा होना चाहिए, but I'm saying how insane it is for any human. मतलब आप अगर थोड़ी देर सो रहे हो, if you're taking a pause, you're not supposed to do that. So please don't do that with yourself. Take that and moreover do that guilt free. Because ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा myth है जो हम लेकर जी रहे हैं आज तक. When we do something for ourselves, we feel guilty. मतलब हमें चाहे हम उसको बयां ना कहें, चाहे हम उसको कहें ना, लेकिन हम कहीं ना कहीं वो गिल्ट फील करते हैं. I gave away this guilt from my life initially when I got married. I am from a Marwadi family, and when I got married, I used to eat with my husband. We used to eat in the same thali. हम लोग ऑफिस से आते थे, लेट आते थे. We used to eat in the same thali. And then when I conceived my son, I choose that I'll be eating according to my schedule because it's not possible to accommodate that part. So even today, I have cooked the meal. If I'm feeling hungry, I'll go and eat. Why I'm saying this, my friend, this is not about giving away my responsibility of asking all the family members about the food. Having said that, looking at all the other conditions, if I choose that I also need to be fed at the right time because of my health condition, because of my work commitments or whatever it is, when I choose to eat before the entire family, I must not feel guilty about it. Isn't it? So this message I want to share because this can be my example. But I want to give it to you, whatever is suitable in your life. If you need to prioritize yourself, please do that. I'm not even talking about self-love. I'm just talking about, talk to that person whom you look into the mirror every day, that you also deserve a piece of happiness. Because we all must have heard it, you can't pour it from an empty cup. पहले अपने कप को भरना, उसकी भी बहुत सारी definition है. It is not that, overlooking the other part of the family, other responsibilities in your life. No. That needs to be taken care, but don't ignore yourself in urge of doing that. That's all I want to say.
Ma'am, in a current life, self-care is very.
We all need to practice it. That's what I'm saying. It's a skill that we can learn. This is not something कि happiness हमारे पास चल के आ जाएगी. वो नहीं होगा. We have to choose that happiness and do things deliberately for ourselves. So we talk about the work-life balance, my friends. When we are juggling between 10 things, choose your pause, choose your happiness, do a bit for your own as well in the entire chaos that's going around, right? Now, let's move in the PPT. Can you, okay, let me share the PPT again. We talk about that we are aware what is happiness. We talk about the societal norms that goes around all that stuff. But everything will happen with awareness. We are living in a space wherein जहाँ पे कि over knowledge के dose में हम लोग जी रहे हैं. एक आप phone खोलिए, there is overdose of everything that's going around. But what's going to impact is your actions, right? So write down some actions that I have just curated for you. You can have your own version as well, right? First of all, we have to redesign the shift from awareness to ownership. हमें ये तो पता चल गया कि हमें अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, but let's take that ownership. Order that something extra fruits and vegetables and those things that you need to take care of your health. Instead of just scrolling and viewing those ragi laddus, create that for yourself. Create that multivitamin, something which you have seen 100 times in the video but have never created for yourself. Go and do that. Take that one step, order from Blinkit or wherever you want to. Please go and do that. That bit of action is more important than knowing the knowledge of entire world. Right? So how many of you are committing to me that you're going to take one step action? Can you write C as a commitment in the chat window, that you commit to take action for your happiness and you will shift from just awareness to that ownership? Challenge yourself that I must do this thing for myself today. Karishma, can you see the chat window? Yes, join gym for physical fitness. Mani Mishra is also saying C. Okay. Vaishali, Lakshmi, Sandhya, Priya, Pooja. Okay, so I'm just jotting down the name. Okay, you all are there in the Shakti circle. I'm gonna message you and ask you what action you have taken. So let's build in accountability partners within the team, that okay, मैंने खुद को commit किया है कि I'll be taking some actions, whatever Dolly has spoken and whatever came to my mind कि मैं मेरे लिए करने वाली हूँ, I'm going to do that. Go and tell at least 2 friends कि मैं मेरा health supplement जो इतने टाइम से मैं वेट कर रही हूँ ना, I'm going to go and buy that. I'm going to join that gym which I'm just postponing from quite some time. I'm going to take care of my skin, my hairs, my health. I'm going to join that session, that webinar, that group, which I'm just postponing from so long. Okay? So write down in your diary whatever you're going to do. I'm not going to ask you what you're going to do, but I'm going to ask you, you have committed something. Let's see whether you have done it or not. Make sense? Yes, no, maybe? Okay. Now the second thing, which is the solution for you, how you can reframe what you're talking to yourself. Whatever we are talking to ourselves, if you say that my joy is not optional, you're changing your mindset. When you say that rest is not just a reward, I must do it, it is required. It's not a reward, it's required. I can love my family and love myself at the same time. Possible? Possible? So let's write these 3 phrases. Why I'm making you write, my friends? Because I'm sure most of us already know why we are writing this. Because once you write this, it gets into your head. और मुझे लगता है कि अगर इतना सा भी shift, इतना सा भी, 2%, 1% भी, if I'm able to make in this entire group, it's a win for me. I'll just rephrase what I said. Rephrase your statements, what you're using. My joy is not optional. Reset is not a reward, it's required. I can love my family and love myself together. Making sense?
You're on mute, Dolly.
I was deliberately on the mute. Okay, and the third thing, which I just wanted to explain you is about self-aware. How many strategies we were talking about? Can somebody say or repeat what we just discussed? You want me to rephrase what I just said? You want me to rephrase what I just said? Yes, no, maybe. Okay, Sandhya is saying yes. Okay, let me just rephrase what I just said. When we are not able to, give away with the societal pressure, we are not able to balance our life. Sometimes we have to rephrase some of the things which we are already doing. First, shift your awareness to ownership. Take that action which you are postponing from so long. Second, change your metaphor. Whatever you are saying to yourself, I'm not good enough, I'm not that, I'm not this. You rephrase it. My joy is not optional. My rest is not a reward, it's required. I can love my family and love myself at the same time. Make sense? So now we're going to talk about some strategies. Before I move ahead on this, I want some of you to share that what are the challenges you might face applying all this, what we just spoke about. Can I have some of the reflection from any of you? If there are some challenges, you can even counter this. No, Dolly, what you're saying doesn't want to make sense in my life at least. Anybody who feel that whatever we spoke has a lot of challenges, we can't apply these kind of changing the metaphor, or maybe, we can't do anything specifically for ourselves. We can't take out much time for ourselves because there's so many things to do in our day. Anybody has to say something? If not, then I'll accept that everybody gonna do what I just said.
Pardon, ma'am.
Acceptable? Okay, Deepa, you want to say something? Yes, please, Deepa, go ahead. Unmute yourself and say it.
Thank you so much. It is a self-doubt.
It's a self-doubt, okay.
And if we achieve something, okay, if I overcome my self-doubt, I get relaxed. एक दिन कर लिया, दूसरे दिन छोड़ दिया. So there my equilibrium or my mission towards my happiness gets disturbed.
Okay, so what you gonna do for that?
I have to create a consistency of like maybe a mind reset. No, I have to do this and I have to do this religiously for my happiness. Like 10 minutes meditation means 10 minutes I have to do every day.
Okay, how old your kids are, Deepa?
11 years and 6 years.
6 years. Okay. If you're doing meditation and your 6-year son woke up with you, what do you do then?
Well, I have created a very different system. Like, it is very different for me.
I'm just giving a hypothetical situation because why I'm saying this, why I'm interacting with you, because your answer may empower somebody else.
Yeah.
Right? So let's take a hypothetical situation wherein you have planned to do meditation 10 minutes early in the morning and your 6-year-old son woke up with you. What you going to do then?
Okay, first thing, I will greet him. Okay, I will say good morning or whatever, like the courtesy part of it. And I'll say that Mama is doing, let Mama complete her 10 minutes meditation, and like we'll catch up. Second option could be, if my child wants me, he's very, he's in a different mood altogether. Then I will appreciate myself कि मैंने 5 मिनट तो किया.
अच्छा, okay.
ओके सो एंड मैं फिर 5 मिनट का टाइम कहीं और फिक्स करूंगी.
ओके.
अगर मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ तो आई हैव टू रीवर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ एंड आई हैव टू ग्रैब दोस 5 मिनट्स आउट ऑफ माई बिजी स्केड्यूल और वॉट एवर so this is like what I generally follow, because I face these challenges every time. And now my children have got attuned to, okay, Mama is doing her chanting and meditation, we should not disturb. This has become a habit.
Makes sense.
So
that
that's
really
how.
makes sense. Now, what you just did, Deepa, is you created a space for yourself and you choose to do that. So is this something which we can do in all the phases of our life?
Again, yes, that's how I hang up myself with the consistency part.
With
consistency.
You are saying that if you are consistent, you will be able to do it.
Yes.
Okay. Great. I'm with you on that. Aligned, super aligned with you. Now, we have spoken about this, that we all have our own different ways to cope up and find that space for ourselves. But still, there are few things which I can share with you, which can create a major difference if what Deepa said, consistency. If we start doing something consistently, even one step consistently for ourselves, that's going to create difference in our life. And the example which I shared of one of my friend, and telling you, my friends, even those small differences which you are doing it, which will have a major impact on your attitude and your attribute towards your own personal happiness. And you will start creating that space for yourself, and you'll start choosing your happiness in all the spheres of your life gradually. For that, there are 4-step rule that you all can follow. Let me just share that PPT with you. Okay, the first thing that you have to deliberately choose for yourself is self-awareness. First of all, we need to be aware about what we are going through. Let's accept our feelings. What makes me feel alive? If I feel good going around with friends, please do that. What are my core values? My core value is, whatever is the circumstances, whatever is the situation, I want to work. I want to be a liberal woman. I want to earn my own finances. That is my core value. So I have to choose that. First of all, we have to aware about it. Write down in your notepad. I'll be just sharing a PDF with you, which is editable, wherein you can write your own notes. First of all is self-awareness. What makes me feel alive? What are my core values? When do I feel most like me? Some of you said that I feel happy when I'm just myself. Just be myself, right? So we spend so much of life fulfilling roles that we forget that what actually matters to us. So we have to relook to that. Something that look good on paper, not that please others, but that aligns with your inner self. So please do that thing. Second thing which you can do is a mindset shift. It's easy said than done. When a lot of us are mindset coach here, we say that it's easy to do, we should do mindset shift. But there is where the happiness is truly become a choice, not is what happening to you. You have to make things happen by own self. You have to create that space for yourself so that gradually when you're doing it, you will also see that there is a shift in mindset, not just in you, but the people around you. They will also see that, okay, now she has a different choice. There'll be difficult conversations also. Because पहले आप कुछ और कर रहे हैं, अभी आप कुछ और कर रहे हैं. There might be some difficult conversation, but the first step gonna help you. If you acknowledge that, accept that, then there'll be a shift in mindset. Making sense? Yes, no, maybe? Okay. And the third thing is you're setting boundaries. You, as we just spoke, that you cannot pour from an empty cup, my friends. As a woman, we are always told, be agreeable to the things, say yes. Wherever is you are required, just be there, present for everyone. But the truth is, most of the times we are not able to give it. At times we need to create those boundaries. और हम जितना जल्दी वो boundaries create करेंगे, we'll be able to create a happy space for ourselves. Yes, no, maybe. Are you all with me on that so far? Can I see some yes in the chat windows? Or if you're not able to, our gratitude, practicing, the people who are practicing gratitude. But when I say gratitude, I probably have a different definition of gratitude. Probably I don't follow more of the modalities. I am coming from a professional background. I was very straightforward. When people used to tell me, be thankful, forgive people, the people who have done wrong to you, forgive them and move in my life. I used to say, why should I forget somebody who has done wrong with me? I should take that revenge. I should tell that person that you have done wrong with me. But believe me, my friends, when I understood the power of gratitude, when I've understood the power of forgiveness, it really changed the whole dynamics. Because you're not saying thank you for the things what other people has given you. You are thanking the Almighty, that God, that superpower, that this thing is in you. It is with you, and because of that you are able to do other things. You are able to do justice to other things as well. So जितना आपको मिला है, अगर आप उसके लिए gratitude देंगे, आप उसके लिए thankful होंगे, you will be getting much more for that. Are you with me on that?
Yes.
So gratitude has so much of power. So what we can do is we can have a gratitude journal. We can keep writing those three things. I'm sure there are so many practices going around in the market which you can practice as a gratitude. But write it. जिसको कुछ भी नहीं मालूम है gratitude के बारे में, आप सिर्फ अपना पेपर पेन उठाइए और कोई भी 3 चीज के बारे में आप thank you लिख दीजिए. Maybe मैं आज के लिए thank you लिख सकती हूँ that I got an opportunity to connect with so many women, so many liberal and intelligent women. Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about these 4 steps daily within our accountability partners. We can talk to ourselves. We can talk to our diary, whomsoever you think so. You have to write these 3 blessings journal. So how many of you are ready to create a happy plan for yourself? Out of whatever we have discussed. I'll share this combined stuff with you, wherein you can write everything on one side and then you can have your own answers. How many of you think that from today onwards, you're going to create a happy plan for yourself? Can I hear from some of you? Sonali, yes, Sonam. Sonam want to say something? Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, first of all, I will show the gratitude by writing. And second thing, I want to do whatever like dreams in my like some dreams as I want to do a very nice job. So I want to like a way between the family and the job. So I will definitely work on this, whatever you said, and thank you so much for that. I'll definitely work on that.
Thank you.
And maybe it will work in the positive way.
Of course, it's gonna work. It's only gonna work, Sonam, if you will start putting yourself also in the picture. Generally, ये क्वेश्चन आई एम श्योर बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप में लोग पूछते हैं, कौन से 3 फेवरेट लोग हैं आपकी लाइफ में? बहुत से लोगों ने बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप में सुना होगा, कौन से 3 फेवरेट लोग हैं आपकी लाइफ में? हम सबके नाम लिख देते हैं, हस्बैंड का लिख देते हैं, फिर बच्चों का लिख देते हैं, अपनी माँ का लिख देते हैं, बट हम कहीं नहीं होते उसमें. So now I want you to write your name also in your journal diary, जो आपका notebook है, वहां पे आप अपना नाम भी लिखिए. Go and talk to yourself, speak to yourself, love yourself. Put yourself also in the picture. जब आप अपने आप को पिक्चर में रखेंगे ना, things will turn around and you will be a much more happier person, और आप और ज्यादा लोगों को दे पाएंगे. Make sense? Yes, no, maybe? I'm just sharing this journal in the chat window. You all can open this. Just a minute. Huh? This is for you as a homework. You all can write it down. इसको आप अपने तरीके से भी लिख सकते हो. आप PDF में edit करना चाहते हो, आपको PDF में edit करो. But it's a request and urge कि आप daily इसको practice कीजिए. इन चारों चीजों के बारे में कुछ लिखिए. आप चाहे तो इसकी बहुत सारे फोटोकॉपी बनाकर रख सकते हैं. हर रोज थोड़ा सा लिख लीजिए 4 पॉइंट्स पर, एंड यू विल बी हैविंग डिफरेंट आंसर्स एवरी टाइम यू आर राइटिंग इट.
May I always write down on my diary.
Yeah,
daily.
okay. आप हमेशा अपनी डायरी में लिखते हैं. I just missed who was saying this. Ganga was saying this. Who was saying this? Okay. Now, can you all see this My Happiness Plan sheet? Can you all open this sheet on your desktop? Not got it?
No, not yet.
Let me just re-put. This is a PDF. Oh, it's going to. Okay. See it now. Check it now.
Yeah, it is there.
Are you all getting it?
Yes.
Can you all just please open it and see if you're able to edit it on your desktop? या अदरवाइज बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप इसको रोजाना अपनी डायरी में लिख के भी उसको आंसर कर सकते हैं. Okay, so we are all set for choosing happiness. Yes, no? Can I get some answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in today's session, we just discovered ourselves. There is nothing which we don't know we spoke about, right? But post this workshop, what we have to do is we have to choose and go and check this worksheet on daily basis and remind ourselves that happiness will not come to me. I have to deliberately go and choose it. I have to stand up every day for myself. I have to see what is it and good for me. And do it guilt free, my friends. I'm sure it's gonna help you a lot. So thank you so much from my side. I'm all sorted and done. If you still have any questions, you can put in your chat window. We will see to it. We will answer, try and answer as much as we can. It's over to you, Karishma. Can you hear me?
Yes, I could hear you. I just could not unmute myself. All right. Thank you so much, Dolly. That was absolutely insightful. And to everybody in the room, क्या हो गया? Cameras क्यों off हो गए? You stopped showing up in your power, girls. क्या हुआ?
People are going in introspection now.
All right. I would love for each one of you to take a breath with me, my dear Shaktis. Let's just sit in silence for a moment and feel what this space just did for us today. Because what we experienced was not just a talk. It was a mirror. A mirror to the way we have labeled, we have been labeled, we have been misunderstood, we have been cornered, we have been questioned. And a mirror to the ways we have forgotten to choose ourselves. We all have 4 things in our hand now to choose happiness: self-awareness, mindset shift, setting boundaries, and gratitude. If one of these hit home for you, type it in the chat box right now. And my dear sisters, this is just the beginning. Can you imagine what more can come to you? Our next Shakti Circle session is on 18th of May with the phenomenal Monica Nagpal, and the theme is second innings. And it will be coming up with great, beautiful, new energy, new hopes, because no matter where you are in life, it is never too late to begin again, right? Maybe with softness, with power, or with hope, right? If today lit a spark in you, trust me, the next session will fan that spark into a flame. Don't just attend. Bring your friends, bring your sisters, bring the souls who need this energy too. But before we go from here, I want you to put in one word, at least one word, that has absolutely shifted in you, that has brought so much of something, your heart has opened up to it, in the chat box. I can't see any words. Is my network okay? Nobody got any bulb on movements? Any bulb on movements? Nothing? Dhanashri is saying amazing session, lasting impact, happiness, self inner chatter. Wonderful. This was fab. I would love for each one of you, jahan se, joon se room mein se aa rahe ho, whether it is, Carnival of Hope or it is Shakti Circle, go write 2 lines about today's session so that everybody in the room, not only the 80 or 90 people who joined this room, but all the people in the room must join the next session, right? I would love the team to share Dolly's Facebook link. No, she has LinkedIn. LinkedIn का डाल दो, शक्ति सर्कल का WhatsApp का ग्रुप डाल दो, Facebook group of Deep Parenting डाल दो, YouTube link if you have, please put it in the chat box for each participant to go and be there with us so that they can, if they want to go back and watch the recordings, they have some place to go back and fall upon, because these sessions are going to just keep on, bringing some fire, something inside of you out. All right. And before we close, I want you to place your hand on your heart, close your eyes, and repeat softly and loudly this time. I am done shrinking. I am ready to rise. I choose myself. I choose joy. And I choose Shakti. Because I am Shakti. Thank you so much to each one of you for your presence, for your truth, for your power, for your energy, and everything that you brought into this room, and for the massive shift and love that you have shown in the chat box and through your conversations with Dolly. And that's it from my end. Thank you. Thanks again, once again, to Dolly, who has given such a beautiful session, which has truly, touched my heart and soul, and has, increased her level of respect and everything to level up. And let's take a, group picture, maybe.
take a group.
Everybody, I would urge everybody to open up your cameras and, bring it on, yaar. Sab aa jao, camera on karo, apni smiles dikhao, give us some hearts. Jo dikhana hai dikhao, and let's take a screen shot. Are we ready? Thank you. I love that. देखो अब सबके खुल गए cameras. Second screen वाले बंद क्यों हैं? All right. Thank you so much. And अगर आपको ये वाला session actual में, सच में powerful लगा है, तो I will read each one of your comments in the groups out there, and I will personally make sure that I comment on each comment that you put in there. All right. Anybody wants to share any takeaways? Please unmute yourself and share.
And even we have shared a message in the chat window. You can even copy that message. You can send it in the group. Because as we said, this is a flagship program. We want your inputs. We want to see how we can, improvise on things. What kind of programs you are looking forward for? Because even, as we really would want this program to go ahead beyond Carnival of Hope as well. So let us see if, sir has such kind of a vision. We really would like to be a part of it. Let us do that. If you have any feedbacks, I have just shared that feedback window. Please write in your valuable comments, and we would love to add on to it.
Yeah, I just wanted to say one thing.
Please.
Yeah, many times what happens, we do realize that what we want, we know that how we want, but we want that one figure or maybe one holding hand, which might be you people are giving as a platform, because internally everyone knows what we want, why we want, and what we should have it. But sometimes it is like, the booster is required. And I think so this is the place where we are getting that boost, where somehow wherever we are lacking behind, we are just coming back, and again we are restarting our circle and all. And Manish sir always try to do
10 dose prescription आपको मिल गए हैं. 10 dose prescriptions are already there. So be there in all the sessions. Spread the words. जितना आप दूसरों को देंगे, it will come tenfold to you.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, Rupali, if you start doing this as deliberately thing, you start giving it and sharing whatever you know, as per your knowledge, as per your intentions, it will come back to you.
Yeah. True. Thank you.
That is also a way to choose yourself and choose your happiness and doing what you love doing.
Correct. Thank you.
डॉली मैम वंडरफुल सेशन, अमेजिंग. मतलब मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगी कि मैं अपने बच्चों को, मैंने एक एक्टिविटी करवाई थी इन लास्ट मंथ, एक ग्रेटिट्यूड जार बनवाया है जिसमें दे हैव टू राइट चेट्स अबाउट व्हाट दे आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर. तो अभी आज आपने जो कहा है ना, तो नाउ आई विल आल्सो स्टार्ट अ ग्रेटिट्यूड जार फॉर माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस इंसाइटफुल सेशन.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rajni. Great to hear from you. Yes, Mamta, you want to say something?
Yeah, it was a wonderful session, and I'm glad that I'm a part of it, and we got the opportunity to hear from you. And the two bulb-on moments was for me, that was the new term, fleeting players and the lasting players. The second one is that we should remove should and must from our life. And the third thing is from the affirmative affirmations part which Karishma has done is I am done with shrinking. So these are the 3 bulb on moments for me. And thank you to both of you, to each and every person who has made this program successful. Like
Special
for all
thanks
of
to
us.
Manish sir for creating such a beautiful space for women's, because generally people
Thank you
think
so
then
much,
जहाँ
Manish
पे
sir.
4 औरतें बैठती हैं सिर्फ गप्पे करती हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. There are intellectual bunch of people, intellectual bunch of women who talk sense when they are together.
And
So
I
I'm
truly
sure.
believe that I'm so sorry, I just and I truly believe that people who have the growth mindset, they are the only persons who can come up on this platform.
So
And
true.
we should encourage each and everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hang
And
on,
sorry
hang
for
on, Mamta.
disconnecting in
Thank you so
between.
much.
Wonderful. Thank you to each
Thank
one of
you,
you. And let me share with each one of you, the mastermind behind this entire stuff is Manish sir, who makes sure he's a man, but he's empowering multiple women out there, who has been, co-creator of all of this. And he has been a phenomenal support to each and every member of his community, who he has empowered each one of us to be here and be in front of you to speak that volumes if you feel so. So एक बार उनके लिए भी सब हार्ट दे दो.
First
Special
gratitude.
thanks to Manish sir. Thank
First
you.
Much of
gratitude to Manish
gratitude
sir
for
only.
sir.
My
Huh?
first gratitude to Manish sir only.
Yes, absolutely. All right. Thank you, ladies. Thank you for being here. We will be looking forward to have each one of you and even more. If you have a sister, bhabhi, mummy, tai, fufi, bhabhi, jethani, jo hai, sabko leke aao, because these sessions are going to be extremely powerful. And see you on Saturday, the 18th. All right. Bye. God bless you. Take care of
It's
you.
Karishma, it's not Saturday, it's Sunday.
Yes.
It's Sunday? Okay.
Five.
It's Sunday.
Friday and
18th.
Sunday. We will
18th
share the
5:30.
schedule once again in entire group. Do you want to say something, Madhulika? Please go ahead.
No, I was just telling that it's Sunday.
Yes, it's Friday and Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. Sorry, my bad. It's Friday and Sunday 4 p.m. Book कर दो. अभी से alarm लगा लो. जो करना है कर लो. But be there on Friday and Sunday at 4 p.m. 3:55 पे सबके alarm बज जाने चाहिए. Notebook और अपना pen लेके बैठ जाना. Okay, and tell your family it is a non-negotiable hour for you. It is your hour. All right. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Take care. God
Thank
bless.
you, everyone.
Thank you, team.
Okay, ma'am.
Team Shakti can stay back. Huh?
Karishma gone? नहीं, Karishma है.